Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to change theme in Google Chrome browser. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To change Google Chrome browser theme, click on three dot icon on upper right corner and then click on settings. Now click on appearance. Click on theme, open Chrome Web Store. Chrome Web Store has been opened. Now you will find many themes here and you can choose anyone from here. I'm going to select a theme. Okay. I'm going to select this blue rose theme. Click on blue rose theme and now this is your browser theme. Now click on add to Chrome. Look, the theme has been changed on your Google Chrome browser. I'm opening new tab and look, your browser will be look like that. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.